All right, guys, I think I found some fishable ice. Check it out. We're right here at the turnoff at Soldier Creek. We've got a couple people already out there fishing. I'll take my spud bar, my spikes and everything, try to stay safe. Looks like I just checked it and we're about 4 inches. I'm not gonna venture far at all. I'm just gonna go right over here. Looks like somebody had already fished here for a while. So hopefully it's a good little spot, but so far so good. I'm still gonna take it really easy and definitely check as I go. All right, I think I've made it to where I want to get to. Looks like somebody has been here a while fishing, maybe yesterday or the day before. Hopefully the fish are gonna be biting. I just passed the fishermen just a second ago and they said that they had already gotten a few bites. So I think I'm gonna downsize to a smaller jig and hopefully that'll help, because I know last weekend with the big jigs I was missing a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up here, get the old live scope out, and then hopefully see some fish. If not, we'll maybe venture out just a little bit. It looks like it's still decent ice, but I'm sure the farther I venture that direction, the worse it's gonna get. So I wanna make sure I stay kind of here in this little cove. Looks like it's good black ice until the very top layer. It looks like the top layer has like it is ice, but it's kind of a slushy ice. So all right, we're 24 foot deep. Let's get our poles out. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and drop, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Ghirardelli Go Bug. I guess it's the micro, and it's got the 1/32 jig head on it, and I'm gonna tip it with a piece of shrimp. All right, first drop. My second rod, I'm gonna go ahead and set up with the Ghirardelli as well, the 2.5 inch. I can't remember the name of it, but we're gonna go ahead and throw this down. All right, I see a fish coming already to me. Oh, he's already coming up to me hard. All right, here we go. Up bite, up bite, up bite. Are we still on me? Are we still on me?
There we go. Yeah, first one. First one. Got one on the Ghirardelli is what it was. Feels like a rainbow. Yep. Just a little rainbow. I'll take it. You know what I'm saying? I'll take it. All right, guys. First one of the day. Hopefully this is not our last. Heck yeah. And that was on the Ghirardelli, that little micro bug. Yeah, what a nice day. Like, it is not that cold at all. Ooh, there's a fish on my other one. There's already fish. There's a, getting a, I was getting bit. Ooh, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Coming up. There he is, yeah. This one was right on bottom. Oh, he popped off. Guarantee I stung him. We've had a bunch of fish come in and they're just not hitting it. Maybe I should try even something different. It's like that's what you do. You end up just keep on trying things until it works. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try the paddle bug because I think these things are pretty cool. I've had really good luck with them. Ooh, there's already fish coming. There's already fish. All right, here we go. Ooh, nailed it. He seems like he's. Oh yeah, I got him. He just come in real fast. He feels a little better. I mean, but he shot in like a rocket. That's another little baby rainbow. All right, guys, another rainbow. We have definitely found the nursery. Oh, yeah, there he is. Yeah, that was on the paddle bug. Oh, that was good. A lot better. This one is a lot better. Oh yeah. Got him. There we go. All right, guys, we got ourselves a 19-incher. Let's let him go. Heck yeah, that was a good fish. I think I've got a bunch of little rainbows. They're coming in. Oh, they're fast little guys. Ooh. Whoa, he hit that one hard. Oh, popped right out of his mouth. These little pesky rainbows, man. They come in, they shoot in like little rockets. No, it's funny, on the fish finder you can see the, it's like you can almost see the difference in the fish. You can tell one's either a rainbow, because the rainbows come in, they dart in, pew, pew, they go crazy back and forth. And then the cutthroats, they come in just kind of real slow, kind of looking. Got him. Oh, oh no, is he still there? Oh yeah, he's still there. Here we go. Feels like a little rainbow again. Sure enough. All right, guys, we got a little rainbow again. Holy smokes, they're everywhere over here. All right, let's let him go. Got him, got him. Got him on this. Got him on this left one. I can't even remember what's on it. Oh, smaller cutty. Always fun to catch them though. All right, guys, let's let him go. See you, bud. There it is. There it is. I had to let him take it a little bit more. Oh, there he is. I'm tangled in my other line. There we go. got him. Yeah. This one feels a little bigger than those little rainbows. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, a lot better. Oh yeah. Seems like they're nailing the smoke. I can't remember what this name is. I'll have to look it up. But anyways, I'm having a lot better luck with this color. Pretty sweet fish. Let's let him go. Yeah, you can see how this one's coming in nice and slow and easy. My guess is that it's a cutthroat. Hopefully we can catch him. That would be cool. Oh yeah, got him. Yeah, this one looked like a good fish. This one looked like a really good fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Come on, bud. Heck yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. 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 That is a really, really, really good fish. Look at that guy. There you go. Let's measure him. My guess he's right there close to that 20 inch. Just shy of it. 19 3/4. Heck yeah. All right, guys. Beautiful, 19 3/4, just shy of 20. Good looking fish. Let's let him go. The sun, as it's dropping down over on that side, it's definitely getting a little cold up here. It was nice earlier. There we go. Yeah. All right. Ooh. 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 Where are you going, buddy? You know it's a rainbow when they're fighting like that. Oh, oh my. Yep, it's a rainbow. Super silver. All right, guys. He couldn't resist it. He couldn't resist it. Let's let him go. I caught that fish with a golden minnow. I threw it on. It's like a silver and a blue. It's kind of cool looking. There he is. There he is. Yeah. Another baby. All right. Got it on the golden minnow again. Here we go. There it is. Yeah. Got it. He jumped out by himself and he popped off. Thank you. See you, bud. You know, we're not catching the biggest fish here, but I'll tell you, they certainly are fun to catch, regardless of size. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode. The sun's gonna be going down here in a second. I'm just gonna go ahead and slowly clean up while I finish fishing. I might catch a couple more, but all right, so here's your ice update. Where I'm at, I've got about 4 inches, but that's right here up on that east side. Don't venture out if you come on out here, because I guarantee you it's not 4 inches. It's probably less than that. From the looks of it, it looks like the ice kind of stops just right around the corner as well. So it's open water beyond this, probably another 100 yards out. So definitely take caution coming out. Make sure you bring your spud bar and your spikes. But other than that, I had a heck of a day. I ended up catching a whole bunch of fish. Most of them were little, and I caught a handful of bigger cuts. It was definitely a perfect day out here. The sun was shining and I was happy. So if you've made it this far on the video, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. It would make my day. With all that being said, guys, I'm heading home. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.